Alright everybody, I'm Mogi with GEEKotropic. We have right here the limited edition Gears of War 4 Xbox One, 2 terabytes. Super excited. Wanted this console since they announced it at E3. We'll give it a good look right there for all y'all. It also comes with the Ultimate Edition of the game, as you can see there. Little sticker. That right there is what the console is going to look like. Sorry about the knife. That's what we're going to use to open this. Like I said, super excited. There's the artwork on the back of the Xbox right there. The box. Then we got some of what it's capable of doing right there. It's a lot of new stuff they announced with this Xbox. Alright, now that we've talked about the Xbox and some of the nostalgia about it, let's open it. See what we got in here. Oh snap, look at that right there. There's a VIN number on the inside. What is this? Owner's manual? Oh snap. How to set it up. Has a stand, I guess. Huh. That's neat. All the cords, cables. New. More cords. Oh snap. Where's the power brick?
Might not need one. Unless it's still inside.
The controller. Holy cow, those scratches are real.
Cool.
Oh, more over here. And then there's the Phoenix emblem. I guess they're done with the crimson. Oh no, crimson omen there too. Holy cow. That's dope. I love the new setup for the controller. Alright, we'll set that off to the side right there. Oh, the cords, some batteries. The box is pretty neat looking. Let's see what this is. Oh, there's the game.
I think that's the stand.
Yeah, I need all this. We're not going to show everything because I need the codes, of course. But
well, this isn't live. It'll be fine. Let them use the codes.
let them use the codes?
Yeah, let them use the codes.
No, fuck no.
We're not giving giveaways yet.
Not yet. There's the stand. It's pretty neat looking. I don't know how the hell it's going to mount on there, but we'll figure it out. I'll show you guys mounted up Xbox One S. I'm super excited to see what the Xbox looks like. Super excited. Been excited since I heard they announced it. We don't look at the phone.
Inside of the box. Still looks pretty cool, honestly.
Yeah, that looks like some badass art right there. Crimson
Phoenix
Omen,
symbol.
the Phoenix Omen. You could literally open this box up and make a poster out of it.
Yeah, you could. You can put it on your wall.
Pretty dope.
If you're skilled enough, you can make a skin out of it.
Yeah.
We are not that skilled.
No.
Nor do we have the patience.
No. But we are. GEEKotropic. Remember to subscribe.
Somebody somewhere will do it. Woo! Looks like we don't even need it.
Phoenix emblem right there on the back. Holy cow, it's so much smaller. Those scratches are real on this too. And they're deep.
Dude, wow. That's a 3D skin. Look at the back here. It looks like you don't actually need a power bar anymore, does it?
No, no power block. I guess it's built in.
Yeah, no more power block. Absolutely not. You have these connections. The side looks pretty normal. The vents are now, they're everywhere. The side, the front, the back. Oh, let's see the front.
Front of the new Xbox
I think
One.
I just set up the box. Hold on. Stick it by the old Xbox for comparison. Just see how slim it is. Like, it's so small. That's cool. Even the bottom has
the market, the Phoenix family crest.
yeah. Let's stick it by here.
And there you have it.
So as you can see, it's a lot smaller.
About
It shaves off about
an eighth.
Yeah.
I'd be willing to say.
probably more. And then compared to
The thickness as well.
yeah, it's slightly
Thinner.
thinner. Definitely more compatible, easy to travel. It looks really nice.
Let's see if we can figure out how to stand this bad boy up.
It should be right here.
Okay.
Let's get the box out the way for a minute. So it slides in and then clips on. Snaps on. And there you go. New Xbox One S and the happy owner.
Mogi.
For more things like this, don't forget to subscribe to GEEKotropic.
Today is October the 6th. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I took a day off to go pick this damn thing up. They tried to tell me no. Me and GameStop almost had a problem.
It's true. I saw his foot twitch. I had to stop him from jumping the counter.
Like Harambe didn't have nothing on what
Oh
I was
my
about
God.
to do to that kid.
We're not dying, going to hell or anything.
There's a possibility. Alrighty guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm Mogi with GEEKotropic. This is my buddy Victor. He's also with GEEKotropic.
Hi.
Playing cameraman today. We will have more videos like this. Remember to like, subscribe. Links in the description for the website, everything else.
Twitter.
Find us on Facebook,
Twitter, Facebook, maybe Snapchat, Instagram. I don't know. Do we have an Instagram? We might have an Instagram.
I'm pretty sure we do.
Be on the lookout for that Instagram.
Be on the lookout.
And there you have it.